Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some back to school snack ideas. So these are great for after school. You could bring these to school and snack on them. They're great, healthy snack ideas. So I hope you guys enjoy. And this video is super exciting because it is a collab with Ahlstrom from Gland Guru here on YouTube. She's doing back to school breakfast ideas. So I'll be sure to link her channel and her video down below. You guys should definitely go check her out. Tell her I sent you and subscribe. And if you guys are coming from her channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of awesome back to school videos coming up and just a bunch of videos in general. I post 3 times a week. It's a fun time on this channel and I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So the first healthy snack idea is a yogurt parfait. So I used a clear plastic cup for this just because I thought it was really cool to see all of the layers of the parfait. So I first started off by covering the bottom of the clear plastic cup with honey. And next I added some yogurt, and I just used strawberry yogurt because that's all I had in my house. And I honestly really like this a lot. And then I added some sliced bananas and Cheerios to top it all off. And this is what it turned out to look like. It's super delicious. You could add granola if you want instead of Cheerios, but I definitely recommend making this. This snack is super affordable and easy to make, and it takes like less than 5 minutes. So the next snack idea are oatmeal energy bites. So for this, you're going to add 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of peanut butter or almond butter. And by the way, I found this recipe on Pinterest. And next you will need 1/3 of a cup of honey, 1/4 of a cup of ground flaxseed. And lastly, I added half a cup chocolate chips. You don't have to add this. Obviously, if you want to make it super healthy, then don't add this. So then I just mixed this all up and I rolled the batter, I guess you would call it. I mean, these aren't cookies, but you know what I mean. I just rolled that into little bite-sized pieces. I made them a little big, so you could definitely make them smaller. And then I placed it in the freezer for an hour because that's what the recipe said to do. But they were super hard, so I just recommend placing them in the fridge for about an hour instead. And these were super delicious. I definitely recommend making these. So the next snack idea are apple cookies, and that's what they called them on Pinterest. I am using some different ingredients than Pinterest though. So first I just started by slicing an apple into thin pieces, and then I spread some peanut butter on them, and I also added some toppings. So I added rolled oats and granola and chocolate chips. Chocolate chips are optional. Obviously, if you want to make it super healthy, don't add the chocolate chips, but it adds a nice sweetness to this treat, and I really like this a lot. It was super delicious, and it was kind of like the last treat. I mean, obviously different, but you know, some of the same ingredients. So the last snack idea is a smoothie bowl. So all I did was place about 8 or so frozen strawberries into a blender, as well as some frozen blueberries and a banana, and then just a tiny bit of orange juice. And then I placed the top on the blender and then blended it all up. This is what it turned out to look like. It is so good. So then I wanted to add some toppings. So I added granola, and I also added sliced bananas. And to top that all off, I added honey. So this is basically like an acai bowl, but without the acai, and I know acai can be hard to find in grocery stores. I found it at Trader Joe's and it's pretty inexpensive there, so I definitely recommend checking that out. But if you don't have acai, you can just literally make a smoothie bowl. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below if you're new. Be sure to go check out Allison's video and her channel. I will have it linked below, like I said. Also, today's post notification shout out goes to this person. If you guys want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is turn on my